Alright, we are live, jumping back into Forza Motorsport. I'll be completely honest with you, I rage quit a couple races after the last video I've released, and simply we were just getting the same position, if not worse, and I was like, enough's enough. It was a gloomy day out, decided to just go watch some Yellowstone. I've been right addicted to that show, so I think I'm on, just started season 3 yesterday night, ended up falling asleep, so we'll watch a little more today. We're back here in Forza. We're going to be playing 0 to Hero. We're complete beginners and we're just trying to get some skill, see what we can do. We're just doing some free play races, trying to get a little bit of courage built up, learn some track habits, and see what we can do. And then we're gonna take it to the online and start competing. So yeah, right now we're just playing this. You guys can see I was just doing some test drives. We'll go back to circuit race. Let's do 3 laps. It was just nice and quick, so 3 laps, 23 drivers. Let's just go down to, let's just do 10 drivers. Let's see what happens. 10 drivers. Focus on this one. We'll do a couple of these for this video, and then into the next video we'll hop in some online, see how we compete against other players, and if we do all right, we'll keep playing. So start out P7 this time. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! This guy fully just came out of absolute nowhere, just floating in the middle of the track, man. That should be a penalty. P6, so we gained a position from when we started. Man, that was a little bit on us. We were kind of just floating around. Okay, let's pass this guy. Oh man. Okay. So let's see if we can get it faster. That was a pretty slow lap. So we're at P5 right now. Started P7. It looks like these cars in front of us are just gonna take off. We're gonna be fighting the car. It's always the same story, I guess, no matter what cars you play. See, this is the corner I always lose. Oh man. That's the thing, you're not supposed to brake in the corners. We've been watching a video, I was watching a bunch of videos actually, kind of after I rage quit yesterday, and then this morning I went out for some breakfast, and I was watching a bunch of videos on just improving time. And it's funny, they all kind of, it's just a new skill I'm gonna have to learn. I've been braking wrong the whole time, and that's definitely where some of this time loss is coming from. Which I knew there was something, you know, even where I'm lining up on the track, right? Like it's there's definitely better positions. P5 finish could have been a lot better. 100% could have been. Just trying to see, my chair's kind of crooked a little bit. I feel like I'm not fully straight. Oh, that came out wrong. My chair just feels like it's angled a little bit, but oh well. Okay. Let's run it back. Let's run it back. This thing's falling apart too. There's a couple things I need to get. Okay. Guy in front of us, the Automaniac or Automatic. Completely read that wrong. We're off to the race. Let's get it. So I did went back to our old habits, went right down the middle. Oh, okay. Oh my lord, what is going on here? Oh my god, ladies and gentlemen. What is... Okay, I can't even talk right now. I'm just trying to focus. He's taking off. I don't know if I even have a chance of catching him. This guy's trying to cut. Trying to cut wide. We're not gonna let him. Ah, hold that. Hold that. Guys, I don't know. Mind you, I don't know if this counts because this is. We're only racing with 10 cars. But P2, man, this is, I don't know if this counts or not, though. P2. 100% AI difficulty. They're lapping faster than me. Sure. But we were the slowest lap. Okay. So, I mean, our car is up there. I don't know if this is enough for us to push the online, because this was just 10. Anything can happen online though. Well, 12-minute video. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here, just because I feel like this was, or actually, forget what I just said. We're gonna run that back. We're gonna take a hit off that Benjamin 3000, take a blinker. And ladies and gentlemen, it is lights out in Japan. 0 to hero. We're going for a podium finish again for the second time. But we want to take a step higher. We're going for P1, baby. Right up the middle. We're not wasting any fucking time. This guy, get the F out my way, boy. No penalty. We didn't do anything wrong. Chasing these guys down. P1 is ours, baby. That's not good. Ah, man. He's gonna try to take that. We gotta cut him. Oh, man. Like, come on. It is hard to get that if you don't get it right away. It is tough. We did make a major mistake on that one corner. So P3, because I'm not giving it up. 23. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there now. 2 podium finishes. We finally made it there. Mind you, we did cut off. We're only racing 10 racers instead of 23, where before we were starting P13, had to work our way up. We're getting like P5 best, but not so bad. But regardless, we're gonna be back next video, and we are going online. I'm just gonna start racing some online drivers. So peace out. We'll be back running it online, Forza Motorsports. Thanks for watching.